Hello everyone, welcome back to Circuit Dash. So today we are going to connect a mic and speaker with our Raspberry Pi Zero. So first we should know Raspberry Pi Zero doesn't have any audio hardware here. So as we know, we don't have any audio hardware jack for this Raspberry Pi Zero W. But we have that jack to this Raspberry Pi 3B. So we have to use some audio hardware or some sound card for this Raspberry Pi Zero W. So here we have this USB sound card. So we are going to use this USB sound card for the Raspberry Pi Zero W. So you can see here we have one USB port, and here we have two female 3.5 mm jack. So this one is for the mic, and this one is for the speaker, or we can also say this one is for the audio input and this is for the audio output. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to install this sound card, or how to use mic and speaker using this sound card to this Raspberry Pi Zero. I have one more point I want to add. Like, we can also use this USB sound card to this Raspberry Pi 3B, because here we have only one port. So if we have two different mic and speaker, then maybe we have faced some problem. So we can use this sound card to this Raspberry Pi Zero. I want to add one more thing. We can use this USB sound card to this Raspberry Pi 3B also, because here we have only one 3.5 mm jack. If we have two different speaker and mic, then we can't add to this Raspberry Pi, because here we have only one audio jack. So that's why in that scenario we have to use this USB sound card, and the whole procedure for the installing this sound card is same for both Raspberry Pi Zero W and Raspberry Pi 3B. So now we will going to connect this card to this one, and we will use some other hardware like OTG cable and USB hub and power cable, micro HDMI, this hardware. So we are going to connect these hardware to this Raspberry Pi Zero. So in this tutorial I have explained step by step, like how to install this sound card, and how to connect mic, and how to connect speaker to this sound card. So let's continue. So now you can see we have this Raspberry Pi Zero, and first we are going to connect this OTG cable. So we can connect our USB hub to this OTG cable. So first we will connect this OTG cable to this micro USB input jack. So now this connection has been done. So then we have to use this USB hub. Here we can use multiple USB. So we have to connect our USB hub to this OTG cable. So now this connection also has been completed. So next we have to connect this USB card or USB sound card. So we have to connect this USB sound card here. So this connection has been done. Now we are going to connect our speaker and mouse to this sound card. So here we are going to this speaker. So this one is our speaker. So here we will connect this speaker to this audio output port. So this connection has been completed. So we also have one mic. So this one is our mic. You can see we have this 3.5 mm jack. So we will connect this 3.5 mm jack to this sound card. So this is our sound card. So we will connect audio input because this is mic, and here we will give audio input to this sound card. So I have connected this mic to this symbol and speaker to this one. So now all the connection has been completed. Now we have to give power to our Raspberry Pi board. So this one is the power jack. So here we will insert our micro USB cable here. So now we are going to give power to our board. So now you can see this LED has been started blinking. This LED has been started blinking. So now we are getting power to this. You can see here we have seen some red color light. You can see this one is the red color light here. So now you can see here we have red color light here. This whole command and how to connect speaker and how to connect mic in this video. So now all the connections has been completed. So now we will use our laptop and we will give some command to this Raspberry Pi. I have mentioned all this command to this tutorial, so you can follow this tutorial. All the connection has been completed here. So now if we are giving some input to this audio jack, we can see on terminal window, and we can also set up this speaker, and we will see some noise from this speaker, wave sound. So this whole setup has been completed. So thank you for watching this video.